welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super important topic, the best foods to eat for a healthy heart. Whether you're young or old, taking care of your heart is essential. So let's talk about the foods that can help keep it strong and healthy. First on the list, leafy green vegetables. We're talking about spinach, kale, and collard greens. These veggies are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, especially vitamin K, which helps protect your arteries and promotes healthy blood clotting. Not only that, but leafy greens are also high in nitrates, which have been shown to reduce blood pressure. Try adding a spinach salad or sautéed kale to your meals a few times a week. Your heart will thank you. Next up, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been proven to lower triglycerides, reduce inflammation, and even help prevent heart disease. Try to include fatty fish in your meals at least twice a week. A simple grilled salmon or mackerel can make a big difference in protecting your heart over time. Nuts and seeds are next on our list. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and plant-based protein. Studies show that eating a small handful of nuts every day can lower your risk of heart disease. Sprinkle them on your salads, yogurt, or even in your morning oatmeal for a heart-healthy boost. And speaking of oatmeal, whole grains like oats, quinoa, brown rice, and barley are a must for heart health. Whole grains are high in fiber, which can help reduce bad cholesterol and regulate blood sugar levels. Try starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with fruit and nuts. It's a simple way to support your heart while staying full and energized. Here's a fun one: dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate, especially the kind with 70% or more cocoa, is packed with antioxidants called flavonoids that have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease. But remember, moderation is key. A small square of dark chocolate can be a delicious and heart-healthy treat. Don't forget about heart-healthy fats like those found in olive oil and avocado. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats that have been shown to reduce bad cholesterol and inflammation. Drizzle it over salads, use it for cooking, or dip some whole grain bread in it for a simple, heart-healthy snack. Avocados are also a great source of these healthy fats. They're creamy, delicious, and packed with potassium, which helps keep blood pressure in check. And we can't forget berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are all loaded with antioxidants, fiber, and important nutrients that support heart health. Research has shown that eating berries regularly can help reduce the risk of heart attacks. Add them to your smoothies, yogurt, or just enjoy a handful on their own as a snack. They're a tasty way to boost your heart health. So to recap, here's your heart-healthy shopping list: leafy greens, fatty fish, nuts and seeds, whole grains, olive oil, avocados, dark chocolate, and berries. Incorporating these foods into your diet can go a long way in protecting your heart. Remember, a healthy heart is all about making small, consistent choices. Start by adding just a few of these foods to your meals each week, and soon enough, you'll feel the benefits. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and heart-friendly recipes. Thanks for watching. Take care of your heart, and it'll take care of you.